So in this video, we're going to look at the steps to do breadth first search. So breadth first search was the one where we would start at the top and then do the second row and then the third row straight across and so on. So I'm going to move this over, and the way we're going to do this is we're going to create two lists. The first one we're going to call Q, and the other one is going to be called results. Results is going to be the one we return with all of the values of the nodes. But with the Q, we're going to start at the top, and we're going to store this node in the queue. So it's an important point here that we're storing the entire node in the queue. We're storing not just the value of 47, we're storing the left and the right as well. So I'm going to change this to look like this. I'll keep this as blue to emphasize that this is the entire node. So we're going to do something with the value and the left and the right. So to begin with, the value, we're going to move it down to results. I changed this to green because in the results list, we are only storing the value, not the entire node. And then for the left and the right, we'll start with the left. We're going to store the node from the left of the 47 in the queue, and then we'll do the same for the one on the right. And then we'll go through the same three steps with the value and the left and the right with the 21. We move the value down to results. To the left of the 21 is 18. To the right of the 21 is 27. And then we do the process again. The 76 gets moved down here. 76 has a node to the left, which is the 52, and it has one to the right, which is the 82. So when we do the process this time, we have a value, 18, but 18 doesn't have anything on the left or the right. So then we move to the 27. The same is the case with that, as well as with the 52 and the 82. So the loop that we're creating to do this will only run as long as the queue has items in it. So now that the queue is empty, that means that we've visited every item in the tree. And the only thing left to do is to return this results list. Now there's something else that's interesting about breadth first search. Let's look at just the numbers in this list. If you take the first one and put it here, and then you take the next two in the list and you put them here, you can see that this is an exact replica of the tree. So those are the steps, and in the next video, we will code breadth first search.